Ever wondered about the challenges of buying a used car? Ponder no more. Today we're diving headfirst into the sea of pre-owned vehicles, serving up a platter of crucial tips to ensure you snag the right deal. Why should one consider buying used? Well, it's not just about the thrill of the hunt. It's also about saving a tidy sum on insurance, registration, and taxes. And in this day and age, cars have never been more reliable. So why not opt for a used vehicle that's proven its worth on the road? Not to mention, many used cars can still provide a smooth ride for well over 100,000 miles. So why pay more for a new car? Timing is everything when it comes to purchasing a used car. There are specific times of the year when you can find the best deals. Holidays like Veterans Day, Black Friday, and Christmas Eve often see dealerships offering special deals and discounts. And don't overlook the end of quota deadlines. Picking up a used car at the end of the month, quarter, or calendar year can net you a great deal. And for an extra bonus, consider buying a used model of a recently redesigned vehicle after the new models have been released. Where you shop matters. Dealerships can offer a wide selection of thoroughly inspected used cars, sometimes even with warranties. But private sellers are also an option, though you should tread carefully. This route comes with its own set of risks. Before you make any decisions, do your due diligence. Research car models, check average prices, and set a clear budget. This will help you avoid falling prey to pushy salespeople. Checking dealership reviews can help you steer clear of sketchy sales tactics, and always keep an eye out for red flags. A reputable dealer or seller should provide you with a Carfax report, show a clean title, and allow for thorough inspections before purchase. And there you have it, your essential guide to buying a used car like a pro. With these tips in your arsenal, you'll be ready to hit the road in your new-to-you vehicle in no time. Until next time, happy car hunting.